Do you want to lose weight without stressing over every single meal? The secret isn't some magic diet or some magic pill. It's mastering meal prep and then having your meals for the week ready to go, completely cutting out these last minute decisions, which, let's be real, are gonna be poor. And it's also gonna allow you to stay 100% on track with your goals. Whether you do it yourself or you outsource it, meal prep can be your ultimate weapon for fat loss. So you wanna know more? Stick around. You're probably super tired of wondering what to eat, or worse, watching yourself settle for whatever junk food is nearby when hunger hits. This video is going to change all of that. I can say from first-hand experience that meal prepping was one of the biggest game changers of my 150-pound weight loss journey. At one point, I even started my own meal prep company to help others simplify their diets and hit their goals. So what's the biggest advantage of meal prep? When you control your food, you control your results, making it so much easier for you to hit your calorie and macro goal. And that's exactly why I call this next section the magic of bulk protein prep. So if there's one thing that you want to prioritize when losing weight or just staying in shape, it's protein. Now, protein not only helps you burn fat, but it also protects your muscle mass pound. And it is the easiest way to make sure that you're getting enough. So prep it in bulk. And here's how you can do it. Like, you just want to cook large batches of lean proteins all at once. You can grill it, you can bake it, times 10 or 12 or whatever. Like, it could be chicken breast, ground turkey, egg, salmon, whatever works for you. Then you portion it out for the week so you always have something ready to go. You do want to be careful though about like expiration dates and like how long cooked proteins last in the fridge. That's a whole other story, right? But you just want to have always something ready to go, and you can even switch up the flavors. Cook everything plain, then add different spices or sausage each day or each time you cook. That way you're not going to get bored with your. Now, speaking of sauces, you could make up a ton of calories each day by switching to low fat or no fat or zero sugar. Now, my school community has an entire section called saucerization on this topic. So if you'd like to learn more about this, it's gonna be the second link in the description below. Now, outsource your meal prep. I get it. Sometimes you're just too busy or you don't wanna deal with the cooking at all. And that's totally fine. That's where outsourcing your meal prep comes into play. Now, I have a whole other video on outsourcing that will probably be in the link in the description below, as it can be super helpful and useful for all sorts of things. But still, in this video, we're gonna focus on just the diet part, because outsourcing your meal prep is perfect for those weeks when you're swamped or you don't have time to cook, right? It saves you time, it reduces you stress, and most important of all, it helps you stay consistent and healthy and continue your progress with your weight loss journey or your fitness and health. So you can either hire a meal prep service or you can buy pre-made options that are macro friendly. Now, if hiring someone is out of your budget, look for affordable pre-cooked options at your local grocery store. These also could be lifesavers on busy days. Just as simple as even like a rotisserie chicken, right? And just muck that for dinner. Now, what are simple meal prep hacks for anyone not ready to outsource? That's a great question. You can meal prep at home with just a few simple hacks. Hack number 1, the 2-hour Sunday prep. This is similar to the method I already described. You just dedicate 2 hours on Sunday to cook your proteins, prep your veggies, and portion everything out like that. You can batch cook things like chicken, rice, and roasted veggies. And you could even, it depends on the protein, like how long it's gonna last in the fridge without expiring, you could fridge one half and freeze the other half, so you won't have to worry about the food all week long. Just halfway through the week, take the frozen stuff and thaw it in the fridge. Hack number 2, or one sheet pan meals. If you wanna save time and avoid a bunch of dishes, one pot sheet or meals, whatever you wanna call it, is where it's at. Because you could just cook your proteins, your veggies, and your carbs all at once, right? You just throw everything on the same sheet pan or in a pot or like a slow cooker, whatever, and you're good to go, right? Hack number 3 would be the pre-made Max and Mitch components. So if you're really worried about like your meals feeling repetitive, like you're bored of eating the same thing over and over again, then you can also prep your proteins, carbs, and veggies separately. Then mix and match it throughout the week. That way you can create tons of different combinations without feeling monotonous, like you're eating the same thing all the time. And if you're going to handle meal prep on your own, I can recommend some awesome containers, because not all food storage options are created equal. After all, so I will try to remember to put the link in the description below, but I'm pretty sure it's in the school community. But if not, just shoot me a comment, I'll send you that. The point is, meal prep doesn't have to be super complicated. Now, let's clear up one major myth. A lot of people think it needs to be gourmet, Instagram worthy, or involve super complicated recipes that take up your entire day. But honestly, simplicity is your friend, so stick to the basics. Simple meals that hit your macros are all you need. Make sure that each meal has a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbs. This combo will keep you full longer and give you sustained energy throughout the day. And here's a last little bonus tip. Invest in good storage containers. This makes getting your meal preps pre-portioned and organized so much easier. So I can state from personal experience that meal prep is hands down one of the best ways to simplify your diet and maximize your weight loss results, or just improve your health and fitness journey. Plus, it saves a ton of time, which is the #1 excuse for most people. So if you're serious about taking charge of your diet and making meal prep a priority, like this video, subscribe for more time-saving hacks. And if you would like some more personalized one-on-one plan to lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days, then I'm gonna click the first link in the description below so you can learn how to do that. We're kind of just gonna make you your own customized journey where we're just gonna go over your own weight loss journey, what you're struggling with, what you're not, what you like doing, what you've done in the past, why you're not having success, and kind of just come up with your own killer game plan to see how or if you could lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days. So if that's something that interests you, click the first link in the description below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe for more. I really appreciate you watching to the end of the video. And if you would like more information just like this to help you on your weight loss journey, even if it's for free, click the second link in the description to join the weight loss community. I will see you inside there or in the next video.